Kameme TV's DJ Macdee has gifted his wife Wahu Kariithi a brand new house. He unveiled it yesterday on both his Facebook and also YouTube page, whereby he officially presented it to his wife Wahu Kariithi as a gift, and she was happy, she appreciated it, and she even gave a tour of the entire house, their new house, the new Macdee family house. And Wahu was so proud of DJ Macdee. It's a huge milestone. Just the other day they got married. They officially did the Kikuyu traditional wedding some few weeks ago, and now they've made another huge milestone in their lives. And even this morning, Wahu Kariithi shared a photo of herself in their new home with the song Thank God by Beaton playing in the background. She is happy, she's content, and all the best to them. They have also revealed that they will be now embarking on a YouTube vlog journey as a couple. They'll be doing couple vlogs, so be sure to stay tuned.